And we go back to that story where we saw the changing of command at the Jamaica Constabulary Force. Here's our reporter, Romardo Lyons, with that report.
Thank you. Now Jamaica has a new Commissioner of Police, and it's Dr. Kevin Blake. The Jamaica Constabulary Force's change of command ceremony wrapped up moments ago here at the office of the Commissioner of Police on Old Hope Road in Kingston. Now Dr. Blake, very resolute, promised Jamaica an unprecedented approach to crime fighting.
I speak to you today out of a profound sense of duty as a career policeman and as a Jamaican with a deep and abiding love for my country and for the people of my country. I rise to be the Commissioner of Police, the Chief Constable for all Jamaicans, mindful of the weight of this office and what it requires of me.
In a video message, Prime Minister Andrew Holness spoke to the commendable strategies of Major General Anthony Anderson. Security Minister Dr. Horace Chang, on the other hand, pointed to what he says was a smooth transition and not having to look beyond the force for a new commissioner.
Within the body and the officers of the police force, they were able to identify the commissioner. They, in fact, looked at all 4 deputy commissioners, which I think was an achievement in the development and evolution of the Jamaica Constabulary Force. That all 4 deputies could be interviewed fairly by a service commission and examined to look at the possibility of one of them ascending to the next level.
Now Jamaica has recorded over 7,000 murders in the last 5 years. And over the years, there have been increased calls for a more rigid approach to crime fighting. However, Dr. Blake says he's ready.
Make no mistake, we will isolate these criminals. We will disrupt criminal gangs. We will pursue, capture, and build airtight cases for the conviction of the producers, the facilitators, and the sympathizers of crimes, whose only interest and desire is to cause hurt, mayhem, and destruction.